This video will explain how to set up an extension so the user can change the time mode on the iPECS cloud system. To start, log into your Cloud Customer Manager portal. Navigate to Company followed by Time Schedule. Select the appropriate time schedule and make a note of the change mode and day-night mode settings. You can see here the change mode is automatic and day-night mode is set to day. Navigate to Feature Codes from the Company menu. Change the search criteria drop-down at the top of the page to Feature Name and enter the text service time into the search field. Click on Search. You will now see the feature name, System Service Time Mode Change, and the related feature code listed. Please make a note of this feature code as you will need to assign it to a flexible key on the physical handset. Navigate to the User menu and select User Setup. Double-click on the extension number that you wish to allow the feature on and scroll to the Feature tab from the options running across the screen. Double-click anywhere on the screen or select Modify to make changes. Change the drop-down Time Zone Mode Change to Allow. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and select Save, followed by OK. Navigate to User Phone Configuration from the User menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In the extension search bar at the top of the screen, enter the appropriate extension number and select Quick Search. You will now be presented with a device and the available flexible keys to configure. Select one of the available flexible keys using the checkbox and click the Modify button. From the Flexible Button Add pop-up, change the button class to Digit. Now enter the feature code for Service Time Mode Change into the Dial Digit field. Enter a description into the button label field and click Save, followed by OK to confirm. You will now see the feature listed on the flexible key index for this user. To use the feature key, simply press the relevant flexible key on the physical device and choose the appropriate time zone and schedule. For example, 0 for company and 2 for night service. Finalise with a hold key to save. To confirm the time schedule has changed, navigate back to the company menu on the left-hand side and select Time Schedule. Select the appropriate time schedule and note that the day-night mode is now set to night. For more information regarding your iPECS handset features, please contact your telephony provider